Hi, I'm Jackie Armstrong. I'm a cool, awesome lady on the spectrum, and I have a story to tell you. So, in 2009, after the recession, I became jobless, so I decided to try the sheltered workshop so that I could still make money to pay for my awesome apartment. And I started being paid sub-minimum wage. We were working on a product called Sunsweet where we were putting pitted dates and prunes and bags of them into these little slots that were going to be presented at a grocery store. And I put 7 in each slot, and then I would weigh it, put it on the line, and then I got promoted. So I started working for a medical device where I put a medical device together, where I put the motherboard on, I'd put the water pump on, I'd put all these little intricate pieces together. It was very detail oriented, and because I was so meticulous and precise, my pay actually went down because I was going slower. So even though I was promoted, my pay was docked for 6 months for 50 cents. The only reason I was getting paid less was because of my disability, nothing else. I remember being at the workshop one time, and we were on the main floor, and the people that, were the supervisors would just walk by and bark at us. Go faster, go faster, go faster, and stuff, and bark. And there was this thing called 07 where if you did something undesirable, they would sit you against the wall, and you would lose a half an hour of your pay. I work now at SMUD, and it is a complete difference. I love it so much. I get to work every day and scan documents and do my job, and I feel like I'm contributing. It is a wonderful job. If you give them fair wages and a fair chance, people will blow your expectations away. Please support SB 639.